പെയ്തും പകലോ നിന്നു മാഞ്ഞു പറയൂ നീ പ്രാണൻ പ്രാണനാമൊരു താതനെ. കണ്ടു വാഗപ്പൂവിൻ കൊട കണ്ടു മണിയിലങ്ങിത്തറകളും മാനോടുന്നുണ്ടേ തീൻകൂടുമുണ്ടേ കിളികൾ പലതുണ്ടേ. കാടേറാൻ വാ കൂടേറാൻ വാ കണ്ടതുമെല്ലാം കേട്ടതെല്ലാം കാണാക്കാനന കാഴ്ചകൾ.
All the Goratians and their family members. As you all know, today in this morning we have gathered via online for the inaugural ceremony of the academic year 2021-22 of St. Maria Goretti Public School. As you all know, the capacity to learn is a skill, but the willingness to learn, the readiness to learn, or rather the interest to learn is a choice. And we here are bravely forced to select a choice. Even though we are not able to meet our friends, your classmates, your dear teachers, the playground, or many other facilities that the school provide you, we cannot stop education. So in this second phase of pandemic of COVID-19, we continue with our journey of education, teaching and learning process through online media. As we step to the inaugural ceremony, let us evoke the grace and blessings of Lord Almighty. Let's raise ourselves with our hearts for the prayer song. Now, let us lend our ears to the words by our dear principal, Sister Amala.
Dear teaching and non-teaching staff, respected parents and my beloved students, greetings of the day. I would like to begin with a famous quote by Joshua J. Merry. Challenges what makes life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. We are all undergoing a challenging times dealing with this pandemic and unrest in our country. We have all experienced some degree of stress and anxiety, but we be grateful for the fact that we are safe and healthy. Though we are in the time of uncertainty, we all stand together to transform the challenges into opportunity. It shows the spirit of Goratian family, and I am really proud of it. We will go forward as a family united in kindness and for the well-being and development of our younger generation. As we are already in the virtual classrooms, the cooperation of the parents is amazing, and you are our strength. We understand the challenges faced by the students, parents and teachers to cater to the academic needs during last year and adapting to virtual learning. Let us accept the situation and act courageously. The priceless hard work and patience of our teachers are heart-touching. Dear teachers, you take this forward to reach our destination. I would like to appreciate all our office staff and others who work hard to achieve our goals. We value the support and care of our well-wishers too. And my dear children, you give life to our great family. And as we begin the academic year 2021-22, I wish all the success to our children, and once again I request cooperation and support of the parents. Because without you we cannot attain anything. Dear teachers, let's work together and we will never give up. I would like to conclude with a line by our former President APJ Abdul Kalam. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Thank you and God bless you. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Let us listen to the words of our respected Administration Manager, Sister Sheba.
A very good morning to one and all. A great thanks to each one of you for being here with us today. We are much pleased to welcome those who are with us for a pretty long years, as well as the freshers to the institution. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you, and to the distinguished principal, respected staff and teachers, and my dear students. Welcome back to St. Mary Gotti Public School. At last, this beautiful day has come. I am quite sure that all of you very eagerly waiting for this day to come. So attending school and receiving education is extremely important for every person and necessary for those who want to achieve success. When one accomplishes academic excellence, will naturally be well admired by the members of the family, community and country as a whole. So education not only makes us a proficient enough to learn about history, science, maths, geography and other subjects. However, it makes us smart enough to learn how to live better life and to solve the life's ridiculous effectively. So dear students, make use of every moment to learn something new. The time is precious. Make good use of it. Wish you a happy day. Thank you.
Light is a symbol of hope. And this hope is a very key motivating factor for each and every human being living now in the world in these years of pandemic COVID-19. Now we are stepping to this glistening ray of hope to be the greatest fact for the inaugural ceremony of the academic year 2021-22 of St. Maria Goretti Public School. When the light lightens in the land, let the light, the hope and smiles in our heart spread all through the year, and let it make our teaching, our learning to a great success. Let us move to the inaugural ceremony.
Keep this book of the law always on your lips. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful. Joshua 1:8.
നമസ്കാരം. തദ്വിദ്ധി പ്രണിപാതേന പരിപ്രശ്നേന സേവയാ ഉപദേക്ഷന്തി തേ ജ്ഞാനം ജ്ഞാനിനസ്തത്വദർശിന. ശ്രീമദ് ഭഗവത്ഗീതയിലെ 4-ാം അധ്യായത്തിലെ 34-ാം ശ്ലോകമാണിപ്പോൾ ചൊല്ലിയത്. ഈ ശ്ലോകത്തിൽ ഭഗവാൻ ശ്രീകൃഷ്ണൻ അർജുനനോട് പറയുന്നു, നമസ്കരിച്ച് സേവിച്ചുപാസിച്ചാൽ തത്വദർശികൾ നമസ്കരിക്കുന്നവനോട് നീ അറിവുള്ളവനായിരിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പറയും. നാം ഗുരുക്കന്മാരെ ഭക്തിപൂർവ്വം സേവിക്കുക. അതുവഴി വിദ്യയിൽ ഉന്നതി നേടുവാൻ സാധിക്കും. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. In the name of God, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. All praise is for God, the Lord of whole world. The entirely merciful, the especially merciful, Master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, you alone we ask for help. Guide us among the right path, the path of those who you are blessed, not of those who you are displeased with. Thank you.
As the sunrise announced a new day, I tender my humble regards to utmostly Reverend Principal and all educating and assisting staff, to we students who endeavor to pursue empowerment with education. A warm welcome and a hearty good morning to the gathering. The COVID-19 pandemic has triggered new ways of learning. All around the world, the educational institutions are looking toward online learning platforms to continue with the process of educating students. The new normal now is transformed concept of education with online learning at the core of this transformation. Today, digital learning has emerged as a necessary resource for students and schools all over the world. For many educational institutions, this is an entirely new way of education that they have had to adopt. As with most teaching methods, online learning also has its own set of negatives and positives. As June unfolds and yet another challenging year of virtual classes have begun, wishing you all the good luck for your new academic year. Thank you, happy learning and good day. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you're all healthy and happy. As we all know, beginning of something new is always amazing, right? So we feel the same here. So here we are welcoming you all to our new academic year. We all know that due to the spread of coronavirus pandemic, we were not able to meet in person. Thus, so many of you are not familiar with me. I am Ashia Anthony, dealing with English subject. With a ray of hope, everything will be get back to normal so that we can meet as well as learn together. So only by learning together can unlock the challenges and our limitations. So my dear children, we always here to help you, promote you and guide you throughout this academic year, because you are very special to us. Your teachers are always there to promote your learning style as well as help you to bring out your hidden talents within you. So here we are beginning our new journey, our new academic year. So it's another step towards the fulfillment of our dreams. So I heartily welcome Sister Principal, our manager sister, all the teaching and non-teaching staffs and the stars of our school. Yes, my dear students, hope all are safe at your home. Okay, my dear ones, best wishes. Thank you.
Dance is a beautiful form of art that we can use to praise the Creator. And learning is a process which combines not just the curricular activities but the extracurricular ones. Here let us view a blend of the themes of learning through the art of dance. Let's watch dance performance by the students of our school.
ഗുണവാരിധേ നീ ഗുരുവാകണം നമുക്കായി നീ തണലാകണം. അറിവേ വെളിച്ചം, നിറവേ തെളിച്ചം, അവിരാമമകതാരിൽ കുടികൊള്ളണം.
Dear all, we have now reached the ending of today's programs. It's a pleasure to thank one and all who became a part and parcel of this inaugural ceremony. I take this opportunity to thank our dear principal, administration manager, the teachers, the students, and their parents. Let's step forward from today on to the academic year 2021-22. Let us hope, let us have this glistening ray of hope that our teaching, learning process will go on well and it will help the entire institution to have a great fruit. Thank you all.